Welcome back. So our focus now is the funnel. Just like the name implies, it looks like a funnel, but then it's a beautiful graph. So you come here, this is a funnel. Come here, click on it, and you have this. Remember to always adjust your charts to the size you prefer. So you have this now. Okay, so what do I want to see now? Okay, let's see the products. Drag the product to the category. Then you have this now. Then also let's see what the sales. Okay, this time let's see discounts given for each product. So I'm going to drag discounts here to the values, and you have this now. So I can zoom it properly so I can see if I want to. So we have this funnel right now. Now it means the size of each rectangle represents how large the profit they made. Okay, so for partial product made the highest, which was 2.60 million. That was what it made. And the Velo made 1.58 million, and it goes across. This is in descending order. You can decide to change it to ascending order by coming here, click on it here, and sort ascending. Click on it here to sort in ascending order. So we have it now from smallest to biggest. All right, so you can also format it just like I showed you in the previous videos. So this is simply how to import your funnel. All right, you will see the beauty of these graphs by the time we are building our portfolio, our dashboard. Okay, so in our next class we will see how to import the ribbon chart. See you in our next class.